How to auto-generate YouTube tags. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can auto-generate YouTube tags. Now, the first method is you need to use a tool that will help you generate YouTube tags. I'm going to use vidIQ. For that, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and select extensions. Now you want to click on visit Chrome extensions. Now in the search bar, you want to search for vidIQ. Go ahead and search for that. Once you find it, you want to click on the install option, then add this to Chrome. Now you will have to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply create one. Once you have created that, head over to YouTube Studio. Here, open up the video. Now you will find that vidIQ will help you generate the video's title, description, and targeted keywords. Head over to the tag section, and over here you can simply type, and then it will suggest you different tags that will help boost visibility. Go ahead and simply select whichever you want from here. In this way, you can easily auto-generate YouTube tags. There are other tools that you can use as well, such as TubeBuddy, or you can use rapid tags as well. All you want to do is enter the title in rapid tags, and automatically all the tags will be generated, which you can copy and then paste it on YouTube Studio. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.